आप सबका यूपीएससी टाइम में स्वागत करती हूँ। आज की वीडियो में हम एनसीईआरटी हिस्ट्री क्लास 12 का चैप्टर 4 देखने वाले हैं। द नेम ऑफ चैप्टर इज थिंकर बिलीव एंड बिल्डिंग। इट विल गो इनटू द लेक्चर फर्स्ट ऑफ दिस चैप्टर। मे बी 2 या 3 लेक्चर बनेंगे इस चैप्टर सीरीज के भी। नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द चैप्टर। This chapter is mainly discuss the major religious development in early India, focusing on Buddhism. It is also examining how these religious ideas were compiled as a text and reflected in architecture and sculpture. Source: Buddhist, Jaina, and Brahminical text material remain, including monuments and the inscriptions, and the mid first millennium BCE, regarded as a turning point in world history. Reason: it was during this period that the thinkers such as Zarathustra in Iran, Kongji in China, Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle in Greece, Mahavira and Gautama Buddha in India emerged. They tried to understand the mystery of the existence and the relationship between the human and the cosmic order. In India, this was also the time when crisis and the kingdom were developing, and a social and economic life was changing in a variety of ways in the Ganga Valley. These thinkers of India attempt to understand this development as well. The sacrificial traditional, the Rig Veda, was compiled between the c. 1500 and 1000 before Common Era and consists of hymn in praise of a variety of deities, especially Agni, Indra, and the Soma. These hymns were chanted when the sacrifices were performed, and the people prayed for a cattle, sons, good health, and a long life, and other things. The sacrifices earlier were performed collectively. Later, some were performed by the heads of the household for well-being of the domestic unit. More elaborate sacrifices such as the Rajasuya and the Ashwamedha were performed by the chief and king, who depend on a Brahmana priest to conduct the rituals. New question: in the early period, many people were curious about the meaning of the life, the possibility of the life after death, and the rebirth. These issues were hotly debated. People outside the Vedic tradition asked whether there was even a single ultimate reality. People also began speculating on the significance of the sacrificial tradition. Debate and discussion of Kutta Garhashala. There were many, as 64 sectoral school of the thought. Lively discussion and debate were took place between the teachers and the school of the thought. Kutta Garhashala were the place where the debates of teachers who tried to convince one another and the labor person about the validity of their philosophy took place. Kutta Garhashala literally mean hut with a pointed roof, or in a governance where traveling mendicants were held. Did debates and discussion of Kutta Garhashala, Mahavira, and the Buddha question the authority of the Veda. The emphasis on individual agency. They suggest men and women could strive to attain liberation from the tribal and the tribulation of a worldly existence. This differed from the Brahminical position, as they believed that individual existence was determined by his or her birth in a specific caste or gender. Mahavira, before Common Era 540 to 468, Mahavira was preceded by 23 Tirthankar. The Tirthankar are teachers who guide men and women across the river of the existence. The first Tirthankar were Rishabhadeva, 23rd was Parshavanatha, 24th was Mahavira. Birth of Mahavira was Kundala Grama, Muzaffarpur district in the present Bihar, near the Vaishali. Father was Siddhartha. Janathriya chief, belonged to the Kshatriya class. Mother was Trishala Lichavi, the princess. Yashoda, wife and a daughter. At the age of 30, left home, and after the 12 years he attained the knowledge. Passed away at the age of 72. Pavapuri and the Bihar. It is a sculpture of the Mahavira. The message of Mahavira, basic idea of the Jaina philosophy. The main teaching of Mahavira are the entire entire world is animated, even the stone, rocks, and the water have a life. No injury to living beings, especially to humans, animal, planted, and insect. The cycle of the birth and the rebirth is shaped through the karma, asceticism, and the penance are required to free oneself from the cycle of the karma. This can be attained only by the renouncing the world. Therefore, monastic existence is a necessary condition of the salvation. The message of the Mahavira. Mahavira did not believe in existence of God. He did not believe that God created and controlled the whole universe. It was all waste of time to recite the mantras or perform the sacrifices. The three essential for the good life were right faith, right knowledge, right action. These three things were called the three jewels or the ratnas. The message of Mahavira, basic idea of the Jaina philosophy. Jaina monks and nuns must make 5 vows to abstain from killing, to abstain from stealing, to abstain from lying, and to observe the celibacy, to abstain from the possessing the property. What is the celibacy? Celibacy is लाइक in Hindi the मतलब ब्रह्मचर्य का पालन करना, observe the celibacy. The spread of the Jainism, the teaching of Mahavira were recorded by his disciple. These were in the form of stories which could appeal to ordinary people. Jaina scholars produce a wealth of literature in a variety of languages such as Prakrit, Sanskrit, and Tamil, and are preserved in the libraries attached to temples. Gradually, Jainism spread to many parts of India. Many stone sculptures connected with the Jain tradition have been recovered from the several sites. Gautama Buddha before Christ 563 to 483 एंड इन सब के बारे में मैंने मतलब 6 क्लास की जो वीडियोस अपलोड की हुई उनमें बताया गया है, आप वहाँ देख लो. बर्थ इज लुम्बर्गिनी नियर द कपिला वस्तु इन नेपाल बिफोर क्राइस्ट 1563. फादर सुधोधना किंग ऑफ कपिला वस्तु साक्या फैमिली. मदर वाज Mahamaya, princess of Koshala. She died within 1 week of his birth and cared by his mother's sister Gautami. At the age of 16, married with Yashodhara, and she gave birth to a son, Rahulan. Gautama Buddha was not interested in the married life. At the age of 29, he left home Mahaparithayaga. At the age of 35, he attained the knowledge, great enlightenment. A first sermon at the Sarnath near Banarasa Dharmakchakra Pravarthana. He passed away in before Christ 483 at Kushinagar in Uttar Pradesh. The Buddha and the quest of the enlightenment. The life of the Buddha. The tragic incident that changed the life of the Buddha. Buddha was one of the most influential teachers of his time. His message spread across the subcontinent and beyond, through Central Asia to China, Korea, and Japan, and through the Sri Lanka, across the seas of the Myanmar, Thailand, and Indonesia. Buddha was named Siddhartha at the birth and was the son of the chief of the Shakya clan, Sudhodhana. He led a sheltered upbringing in the place, detached from the harsh realities of the life. The traumatic incident that changed the life of the Buddha. He undertook a journey to the city, which was a turning point in his life. He was deeply anguished, pained when he saw an old man, a sick man, and a corpse, a dead body. It was at the moment that he realized that the decay of the human body was inevitable. He saw a mendicant who had come to terms with old age and disease and death and found peace. Soon after, Siddhartha left the palace at the age of 29 in search of the truth. And the traumatic incident that changed the life of the Buddha. He explored many paths, including the bodily mortification. He abandoned the extreme path and meditated for several days, and finally attained the enlightenment at the age of 35 and come to be known as a Buddha or enlightened one. For the rest of his life, he taught Dharma and the path of the righteous things. Main teaching of the Buddhism source was the Sutta Pitaka, contained the teaching of the Buddha in the form of stories. Few stories describe his miraculous power, and others suggest that Buddha tried to convince people through the reason and persuasion imagination rather than the through deployment of a supernatural power. With this slide, our I stop this lecture at here. Hope you like this video. Then please like, and if you're new in this channel, then please subscribe the button and hit the bell icon so that notification of upcoming video come to you time. Thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe, and like the channel. Thank you.